Hi everyone, what is up? Hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. I absolutely love the weather here in California. It is raining really nicely. Just love the smell of the grass and the sound of the raindrops. So anyway, we are down to our last palette, which is the Girl Scout palette. Again, this is from the High Times collection. I have already reviewed Purple Haze and Orange Pop, so if you want to see those videos and know my thoughts, I'll definitely put the link down below so you guys could watch them as well. So if you are going to buy this individually, they are $14.99, and if you buy the bundle, you get them for $36, and Trendmood has a code which takes out $3.60, and the shipping is free. The day that I purchased these palettes is actually also the same day that they have processed and shipped my palette, which is amazing. But because of the COVID-19 situation at this time, you know, shipment might be in a delay, but overall, I really have a very smooth transaction from this company. So I've been seeing Cara Beauty before. I may have mentioned this on my first video that I think the first item that they were selling are like lashes, and then after that they have transitioned to some palettes. But this is the first ever time that I have been like highly interested with the brand because of the color choices of the palette and the color combinations. And I'm not a smoker or anything. I just really love the color combinations and the themes on the palette. That's the reason why I bought it, and of course they are very affordable as well. Definitely one of the, you know, most affordable brands out there. This is what the palette looks like. Sorry if I'm talking too much. This is what the palette looks like, and I really love the fact that it is very slim, perfect for traveling. It has a carton cover over here. It looks exactly like the packaging actually, and then on the cover you can actually see the ingredients. So if you are allergic to something, then you know you might want to read this one up. And then this is what the actual packaging looks like. It has a little bit of weight. Everything is made out of, you know, cardboard, and at the back you can see the name of the shades, which I highly appreciate because, you know, if I wanted to create looks, at least I can, you know, show you guys. And the thing about this one is that aside from the fact that you have the name of the shades here, you also have the name of the shades in the pan. So that is awesome. You have this plastic protector right over here, and then you have a nice mirror as well. Look at that. These are the shades that you are going to get. So we are going to swatch them for you. I'm gonna swatch them for you guys. And if you're new to my channel, just want to let you guys know that every time I swatch it in the back of my hand without any base, because I wanted to know their full potential and see what the color looks like without any help. So without further ado, let's move on to the swatches. So for the first shade, we have Sticky Icky. This is a pressed glitter, and you don't need any glitter glue or glitter primer for this formula, and that's one of the reasons why I love this collection, because the glitter, the pressed glitters, they just stick on their own. And then we have Ganga. It is a very, you know, citrusy yellow. And then we have Chronic. Chronic is a yellow shade as well, but it's more of metallic. And then we have Clear Eyes. Now Clear Eyes, this formula actually reminded me of ColourPop Super Shock Shadows. It is a textured shadow. So the Orange Pop and Purple Haze, they also have like textured shadows. This is the palette that only has one textured shadow. So moving on to the next four shades in the second row, have Cannabis. That yellow is not so bright. And then we have Weed. It is a green matte shade that is lovely. And then we have Blaze It. Blaze It is more of like a sky blue color. And then we have DUB or Dub. So we have Mary Jane. And then we have Pot Head, also a pressed glitter. And then we have Kush. And then we have Take It. And then moving on to the last 4 shades at the bottom row. Stoner, it is a metallic shade. Oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. And then we have Puff Puff. Ooh, girl, not so much. And then next we have Hybrid. Hybrid is a pressed glitter. That is beautiful. And then lastly we have High. It is a black matte shade with silver glitter. So these are all your shades for the Girl Scout palette. I'm going to give you guys a moment so you guys could see all of the shades and appreciate them for yourself. What do you guys think? Now let's go ahead and try this on our eyes. The first shade that I want to use in this palette is the shade Ganga. This is the darker yellow in this palette. So my eyes right now has a full coverage foundation. I did not set it or anything. I just wanted to make sure what it looks like when the eyes are not set. And as you guys can see, I'm quite struggling when it comes to the payoff of the yellow. No matter what I do, it's just really not getting, you know, vibrant enough. So I'm just going to continue on working my way in with the back and forth motion. Again, my eyes are still tacky, but this is the, you know, outcome of it all. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this blue shade right over here. Now, this is a very tough decision because I was so torn between the dark green and this blue shade right over here, but I decided to try the blue shade because it has been a while since I have used a matte blue eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it very generously. I actually like this shade because, you know, blue is a very hard color to make, and I feel like this eyeshadow specifically doesn't fall off. So I like it about that. What? I like it about that. What is that? So I'm just going to continue on. Once I am satisfied, I'm just going to go ahead and create a winged eyeliner. And as you guys can see, the blue turned out so pigmented. However, I'm just going to need to blend that yellow and blue all together quite a bit after this. And the liquid eyeliner that I'm using right now is from Essence. I also just want to finish this one up. And then for the last minute, I decided to pop on some glitter because why the F not? I really love glitter, and as you guys can see, you can use this product like so effortlessly. It just sticks really nicely on the eye. And I don't have any problem with the pressed glitter as well. I really like it. And then after that, I'm going to be putting on some lashes from Miss Love. And this is in the style Innocent. So basically, it's the lashes that I have used the other day. And I really like these lashes because you can still see the work that you just did. And I also applied some mascara from Manakadar. And it was from my former Boxy Charm box. I think that was like a very long time ago. And then I want to try this textured shadow right over here, which is Clear Eyes. I'm going to put that on the inner corner, and then I can't help it. I just have to use Puffed Puff and smoke out my eye really nicely like that with a dense pencil brush. And this is the final makeup look, you guys. Overall, I think these are such fun eyeshadow palettes despite of the inconsistency when it comes to the shadows. So I really love the pressed glitters. I have mentioned it the other day and I'm going to mention it again. I absolutely love the glitter formula. I also love the textured shadows. So I want to see what they have more in store in the future. I'm very interested with this brand. That is pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are still not part of the Sassy family, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn your post notifications on. I upload Mondays to Fridays. So no specific time, but recently I've been uploading around afternoon. And also, if you enjoyed this video, Please leave me a like and comment if you have purchased anything from Cara Beauty. Do you have any favorite from this brand as well? And subscribe if I just mentioned that already. So I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye!